morning students. Today I am interacting to class 3rd students for teaching you a mathematics of chapter number 1. The chapter name is looking back. You studied in previous classes in class 2nd about abacus, about 3-digit numbers. If you represented 3-digit numbers, 3-digit number, 3-digit number like 365. If you represented in the previous class 2nd, represented as, suppose that this is 100, 300, 1, 2, 3, such type of you represented this type 100, 200, 300, and 65 you represented in class 2nd this type. This type of, and this type. Here is 300, 300, and here is suppose 35, here is 30, and here is 5. You study in class 2nd this type of situations, can solve this, okay. But and also you solve in question such type of abacus. Suppose I made a abacus ones, tens, and 100. Here is 3, 4, 2. How many bits? How many digit here? 3, here is 4, here is 5. It means that 342. What we write? 342. You write in words 342. This type of situations you created, you can do it. 342, it is written in word form, it is a expanded form. You can write in expanded form 300 plus 40 plus 2. This is a expanded form, this is a standard form of numbers, and this is a word form of the given numbers. So this type of situations you can do it. Now I am going to start exercise first A. Exercise first A. Exercise first A. The first question is in your book, exercise first A, draw beads on each spike to represent the number given below the abacus. Draw beads on each spike. Draw beads. Draw beads on each spike. Draw beads on each spike to represent the number, to represent the number, to represent the number given below the abacus. Given below the abacus. What is the given below the abacus? First A is such type of abacus made in your book. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. 315. How many? 315. Such type of abacus is given in your book. Question number A. Here is 315. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. In the given example, previous, I have made abacus, such type of these given word, expanded form, standard form, okay, in word form also. Here is 315. It means that in 300 on spike, this is a spike, okay, and I made a beads. Here is how many beads we make? 3. 1, 2 and 3. And on the tens position, ones, tens, 100. On 10 position, how many tens here? 1. We made a 1 bead. And on ones position, how many numbers? 5. It means that how many beads we make? 5 beads. 1, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many beads? The question, draw beads on each spike to represent the number given below the abacus. The number given on abacus is 315. I made spike, each spike to abacus beads, dry beads. You can also represent this number. So question number 1A is completed now. How many beads? 100 position, 3. Tens position, how many beads we draw? 1. And on ones position, how many beads we draw? 5 position, 5 beads. To look, question number B. Made abacus, ones, tens, hundreds. How many numbers? 806. 806. It means that on spike 100 position, how many beads we draw? 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 10 position, how many beads here? How many numbers? 0. Then we cannot represent any beads on this spike. So we going to ones position. How many beads we draw? Ones position, how many numbers? 6. So on ones position, on spike 1, we represent how many numbers? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the given number 806 is shown on abacus given here. Now question number C and D. C and D, you can do it. It's your exercise homework. Okay. Question number C and D in the question number 1. You can do it. Now I am going to question number 2. The question number 2 is, write the number represented by the abacus. Write the number. Write the number. Write the number represented by the abacus. Represented by the abacus in different forms. In different forms. The given abacus is, first is abacus. Here is written abacus, and its standard form, word form, and expanded form. So the given abacus is here. Ones, tens, and hundred. The beats given in this on 100 position is 2 beats drawn, and on tens position is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and ones position is 3. The given abacus. Write in standard form in this, and word form, and also expanded form. In the given table, the first is abacus is on one position, how many digits, how many beats draw? 2. On 10 position, how many beats? 5 beats. On ones position, 3 bit. The standard form in this 253. Standard form given abacus is 253. You write in words also 253. You can write 53. 253. You write in expanded form. I given you example, one example to represent expanded form. The expanded form here is 200. We write 200. How many tens? 5. 50. Ones is 3. This is a expanded form of the given abacus. So now second question. B on the abacus. We draw abacus ones, tens, 100. The abacus is how many beats drawn on 100 position? 7 beats on 100 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. On 10 position, how many beats? We draw 4. Draw 4. On 1 position, how many beats? No any beats are draw. So we write standard form of the given abacus 740, because on one position there is no beads we draw. Okay, we write in standard form for the given abacus is 740. 740. You write in word form 740, and you represent also in expanded form 740. The expanded form 700 plus 40, and one's position is 0. You can write this. Okay. So the given abacus, we write here standard form 740, and there in words and also a expanded form. Okay. Now question number 2, you can do question C and D also. Okay. So I stopped it. Thank you.